Hello guys, this is the GLC 250 model and I'm going to replace the engine mount. This is the 4matic 4-wheel drive. So on the front axle also one differential is available, so too much difficult to remove the right side engine mount. So what are the things I did for replacing the engine mount, I will explain in this video. For left side engine mount, this is the intermediate shaft of a steering rack. So for disconnecting this shaft, just push up and then rotate. It's also direction is available here printed. Push up and rotate. It's the right side. Then push up this rod. For replacing it will disconnect. Mount, I remove this upper arm bolt, then this link rod, and then also you can mark on this joint left side axle. So it's a left side. Remove. For right side I remove upper arm bolt, then link rod, and just little bit up or down remove axle. I did not remove complete axle. So this is the right side. Before removing the engine mount, I remove also, disconnect also this steering intermediate shaft. Now I can remove easy for engine mount, because after that here too much space.
This is left side engine mount. Check how is the condition of engine mount. And this is the new engine mount. So this is the fix, no any loose. And this is the
2
old engine mount.
One is here 13 mm, and here is E14 all also. There are 2 nut here, one and also second is another side. So this 2 nut is here. Here is the right side engine mount. Only I remove 1, 2, 3 bolt and also this bolt. After that I did not remove complete this plate. Just I up the engine with the jack, right side engine mount new, this view right side, and this is the front side, and this is rear side. So engine mount go as a like this.